I don't know about you, but my mum is always complaining that she's got a big bum. And my dad is forever complaining about the size of his tummy. My sister's always going on about her chin being too big. Well, here's a bit of fun. What if nature really had gone mad and some of our body parts did grow out of proportion? Try this. It's funny. Start with 2 enormous body bits. Now, you can pick any 2 bits you like, but the idea is to fit the rest of the face around them. So I'm going to try 2 really big bulgy eyes, and how about 2 huge feet? Big toe in there. Now, you can pick any 2 body parts. The idea is to just exaggerate them and make them look really big. And see what starts to happen? You start to create these really weird cartoon characters. Now, the rule is you've got to make all the rest of the body parts normal size. So there's a nose, and there's a mouth across there. This is weird. I'll put some ears in there, around these big eyes. And I've got to fit everything else in. That's the rule. So there goes his arms and hands. That's assuming it is a him. And that's about his body there. And then just enough room for his legs and trousers. Look at that. Weird or what? OK, let's do another one. Let's create another weird and wonderful character. Again, just pick 2 body parts and make them gigantic. So, OK, what if we had huge teeth, like that, and, I don't know, huge ears? See what happens here. See, the great thing is you don't know how these are going to come out. So let's put those ears in. And, again, the rule is you've got to make all the other body parts normal size, but they've got to fit around these ones. So mouth in there, nose in there, eyes, normal size, like that. Now this is going to be hard. Look at that hair. So that comes across to there and to there. I think I'll make this a girl, there, like that. And the rest of her face to fit around those teeth, there, like that. I think we'll give her some freckles in there, like that. And the rest of her hair down there. And, of course, the rest of her body, normal size. Again, she's really weird. Look at that. In fact, you can go on for ages creating really funny cartoon characters. Look at this lot. Nature really has gone mad. She's got big hands and legs. He's got a big forehead and big nose. Look at that. And he's got a big chin and nostrils. And again, I've fitted the rest of his face around it. Hey, and don't forget, what if Mum really did have a massive bum? Oh, I'm going to get into trouble for this. Try it yourself. Make nature go mad.
Oh, I like that one. Just exaggerate some bodily features and make it look as if nature has gone mad. I tried that earlier. Do you want to see it? You see, I get it right sometimes. Oh, thank you. Most kind. Oh, look at this. Oh.